Hey everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to start dropshipping with Zendrop. Dropshipping is becoming an extremely popular retail fulfillment method, especially for new e-commerce businesses. So in this video I'm going to be covering how you can create your own Shopify store using a special offer, installing the Zendrop application and connecting it to your store, how you can find products to sell, and more. So without much further ado, let's get right into it. So the very first step to getting started is that we want to create our Shopify store. So head over to shopify.com, and from there you will find the start your free trial button. This will give us full access to a Shopify store, but only for 3 days, which is not enough for us to get started on the platform. After the 3 days, we will have to get one of these memberships that you see on the screen right now. However, a temporary offer by Shopify will grant you any one of these plans for only $1 a month on your first 3 months. You will find a link to it in the description box down below, so go ahead and grab it. After that, Shopify will take some time to create your store, and then you will land on this dashboard right here. And as you can see on the dashboard, on the left sidebar, you have the various sections including products, marketing, analytics, and more. However, the one we're interested in is the applications one, so click on apps to visit the Shopify App Store. The Shopify App Store gives you access to a lot of applications covering everything from payments to subscriptions and more. However, in this video our focus will be on the Zendrop application, so go ahead and search for it. Click to open the application page, and here you can see details like the pricing of the application, features, reviews, and everything else. Click on the add app or install button so that we can install it, and then grant the required permissions when prompted. And just like that, you will have the Zendrop application successfully installed on your Shopify store. And even with the application downloaded, we still have to connect our Zendrop account to the Shopify store that we just created. So on a new tab, go to zendrop.com and then sign up for a free Zendrop account here with your email and password. You will get a confirmation email and might be prompted to verify your account to complete sign up. And once logged into your Zendrop dashboard, you will see a pop-up asking you to connect your e-commerce store. And for that, we would click on the Connect Shopify Store button. Enter your own Shopify store URL when asked, and Zendrop will now securely link up your account. Grant permission on your Shopify store when prompted to complete this process. And just like that, our Zendrop account is fully integrated within our Shopify store for seamless dropshipping. And now we are all set up to start dropshipping products. Click on the Find Products tab in your Zendrop dashboard to search for items to sell. Zendrop sources inventory from dozens of suppliers globally. You can apply filters like shipment origin, product category, pricing, and more to narrow your research. And some key aspects to evaluate when researching potential dropshipping products is to ensure that there is good profit margin even after your pricing. Check that there are decent order volumes and demand. The supplier should have inventory in stock, positive seller rating scores obviously, and shipping timelines must be reasonable. Select the products that you like and click on Add to Import List so that you can shortlist them. And now you want to head over to the import list on the left sidebar, and you will see all the products shortlisted here. Review the product titles, images, inventory status, and all of that. Note that the shipping duration, as some suppliers like AliExpress may have longer delivery timelines. And when everything looks good, click on the Import to Store button at the bottom right here to add these products to your Shopify store. Give some time for Zendrop to finish importing your selected dropshipping products into your Shopify admin. And then you want to go back and open your Shopify store admin panel, click on the product section to see your merchandise catalog. And now you should see all the items imported from Zendrop populated here automatically for you. The product titles, descriptions, variants, pricing, and images will all be synced across. I would recommend that you go ahead and scroll through and verify just to be thorough and check that everything migrated correctly from Zendrop. With that, your basic dropshipping store is now ready to go live. And all that there is left to do is that you can go now and enable your payment gateways, select a shipping provider, set up any domains, and launch your store publicly. As you start getting sales orders, Zendrop will automatically import and sync these across to the orders section. You will get email notifications as well when a new order comes in. So visit the Zendrop orders dashboard to see all of your orders in one unified interface across different suppliers. The order, payment, and fulfillment management process is really streamlined. You can also set up custom automations for inventory syncing, pricing updates, order processing workflows, and more based on rules. And that really sums up the tutorial on leveraging Zendrop for setting up your Shopify dropshipping store. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.